The HR series is a perimeter illuminated sealed rocker switch featuring a stylish low-profile actuator, which fits into an industry-standard panel opening size. The HR series is available in either 2 or 3 positions, with various independent and dependent illumination options and customizable laser-etched legends. Sealed to IP68 protection, the HR series is ideally suited for marine, on-off highway equipment, and any application requiring sealing protection. Download the datasheet or contact us today for complete product details.